you, sir. Appreciate it. Have a great day. So I just got my Jackie's Deer Lures in. Been waiting for this stuff. We're gonna see what we got. Now, some of this is my brother's and some of this is Courtney's. So all of this, whenever you see it, you'll be like, man, he got all kinds of stuff. But actually, some of it's mine and some of it's theirs. So there's no way I would have been able to use all this stuff this year, probably. So, see what all we got here. Because I ordered certain things that I really, really like, and I think they ordered certain things that they really, really like. Alright. So, this stuff I like a lot. It's Jackie's Deer Lures Malt Scrape Powder. You can put this out right now. A lot of people think, you don't want to put it out until closer to the rut. But you actually, you make a scrape, you put this powder in it, and you will see tracks, deer tracks already. I mean, like right now, here it is. It's just the second week of September, and you'll see deer tracks and stuff. They'll start using a malt scrape when you put this in it. This here is Triple Discharge. All three of us get this every year. We love this stuff. It's 3 or more does in estrus. This is great for November. Caleb, he's the cameraman right now. He's sitting there shaking his head because he does not like the way it smells. Of course, it's does that are in estrus, But this stuff works great. Matter of fact, I was selling this whenever I was over sporting goods department at Walmart in Winchester, Kentucky. We sold this in our department, and I suggested this to a friend of mine, and he said, I'm going to see if it really works and how well it does work. So he goes and he goes to hunting. Whenever he drags it on a drag rag, he done a figure 8 on the ground, and then he went to his stand. And he said that buck literally walked a figure 8. I'm not lying, y'all. That the buck actually walked a figure 8 following that doe estrus, that Triple Discharge. I love this stuff. It does work. This right here is something my brother likes a lot. It's a doe preorbital gland. It's basically the saliva from a doe, or mucus, from a doe. So he likes this quite a bit, preorbital gland. And then of course we got the hot doe and heat. Once again, this is estrus from a single doe, and great during the rut. We like this a lot. Okay. And then of course we got the no scent plus earth cover scent. This is you spray this on your boots, your clothes, to cover your scent. This stuff works great. I suggest you try it out. We got a gallon all together and stuff, and we'll be sharing this. So, like I say, that's pretty much, that's the contents of what all we have. Go to www.jackiesdeerlures.com and try out some of their products. Hey, and have a great day, and God bless you.